Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to make a table in Google Docs if you guys don't already know. So a table in Google Docs is very important because you can insert as many information as you like in a tabular format. So to insert a table or to make a table in Google Docs, all you have to do is open up a Google document and you can choose any template or you can even open a blank document. And after you open a blank document, all you go to search for is this insert button. You click on that and at the second you'll see table. So what you got to do at the table is you got to select how many rows and how many columns do you want. So if you want 3 columns, 1 2 3, and how many rows do you want? So if you want 6 rows, so it is 6 by 3, and you click on this and a 6 by 3 column is made now. So you can write here anything, number, name, class, section, roll call. So at below you can write in the numbers and names and you get the gist what I mean. You get the gist what I mean. And you can even insert it again and click on table and you can add other templates as well such as product roadmap, review tracker, project assets, and lot more. So this is how you make a table in Google Docs. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then,